Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the fourth element men's Thermocline full length suit. So Thermocline is basically a neoprene alternative. So if you're allergic to neoprene, then this is fantastic. You can wear it by itself as a neutrally buoyant wetsuit, or you can wear it underneath your existing wetsuit just to sort of increase the thermal capacity so it's that much warmer. So as I just said, it's neutrally buoyant, so you don't have to add or remove any lead to account for its buoyancy because it's neutrally buoyant. It's made out of a 3-layer material. On the outside, it has a 4-way stretch material, so it's nice and flexible. You've got full range of motion. They really made it for like multi-sports, sort of water sports. So full range of motion. It's also wind resistant, so if you're on the surface, even if you're wet, it's not going to be cutting through and keep, sort of cooling you down. It's going to protect you from the wind. In the middle, there's a semi-permeable membrane, which means that moisture will wick away from you and come to the outside of the suit, but it can't go straight through the suit. So that's going to keep you nice and warm. But if you're on the surface and you yourself are dry, but you're sweating, the sweat's going to be wicked away from you, so you're going to stay nice and comfortable and nice and warm. On the inside, I'll show you the inside in a second. It's a very soft plush lining, so very quick and effective at sort of wicking moisture away. But when you're completely submerged, it's very good at trapping the water and stopping it from moving around, just like a traditional wetsuit. So you're going to stay nice and warm. So if we take a closer look, starting up around the neck, so the neck is nicely rolled, so you don't have any seams sort of up around your neck, so that's nice and soft and comfortable. Moving down the suit, as you can see, we have big open panels because any of the stitching just reduces the flexibility of the overall suit, but big panels means that you get lots of flexibility. It means it's really easy to get in and out of, and also means that you have lots of flexibility once you're in the suit. Going down to the bottom of the arms, you can see they're just rolled, and we've got this flat lock stitching, so nice soft stitching even on the inside. And if I turn that inside out, you can just see that plush lining, and again that flat lock stitching is continuing through, so that's not going to rub, that's going to stay nice and comfortable even if you're doing something really active. Moving down to the knees, so on the knees we have these reinforced patches, so these are a little bit more abrasion resistant, especially if you're sort of in training, you're doing a lot of kneeling down on the bottom, then yeah, that's going to protect the suit and protect your knees as well, so it doesn't wear through quite so quickly. And then down at the bottom of the ankles, same as the wrists, you just got that rolled material, and that sort of plush lining continues throughout the suit. Okay, turning it around. So this is a back entry suit. The zipper runs all the way down your back. You've got a nice long leash attached onto that. So grab hold of that, pull that downwards. Very quick and easy to get in and out of it all by yourself. Underneath the zipper, we have a flush guard. So that just sits underneath the zipper when it's done up, and that just means that water can't flush straight through the zipper and get to you. It slows it down and gives it a chance to warm up before it actually gets to you. And then on the inside, you can just see, here's that plush lining, nice and soft, very, very soft and comfortable. And that flat lock stitching, again, just reducing any kind of rubbing, so it's nice and comfortable, even against bare skin. So that's the fourth element, Thermocline full length suit, nice and warm. It kind of replaces a 2, maybe a 3mm wetsuit, but as I said, it's neutrally buoyant. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.